Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show how to make checkbox using HTML and CSS only. Create index.html file, open it in browser of your choice. In body, type field set with class container legend with class container legend and add text. Choose your favorite. Create div with class checkbox input. Type checkbox class checkbox input. Add span with class checkbox tile. Add another span with class checkbox icon. For this project, I will use Font Awesome icon. Log into your Font Awesome account. Click on your kits. Copy kit code. Paste it in head under the title. Search for Facebook icon. Click on icon. Click on Start using this icon. Copy HTML part. Paste it. Add span with class checkbox label and add label Facebook. This label will be displayed under the icon. Open file in browser of your choice or as an alternative start live server. Reload the page and now field set displayed as well as first icon Facebook with check. In total will be 9 social media icons. Copy this part of code, paste it 9 times. To do that, select that part of code, press simultaneously Shift, Alt and arrow down. In second tile will be used Instagram icon. Search for it. Select first icon. Click on Start using this icon and replace by Instagram HTML. Also change Facebook to Instagram. Third checkbox will be for YouTube. In order to save time, I just change this word Instagram to YouTube. And in checkbox label, change Facebook to YouTube. Tile number 4 will be for Twitter. So change Facebook to Twitter. Next one, it is for Twitch. Next one will be for Reddit. Next one for Spotify. Pinterest. Last one will be for WeChat. Reload the page. 9 icons displayed, which is Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Reddit, Spotify, Pinterest and WeChat, as well as in front of each checkbox. With HTML part, we finished. Now we need to add style to it. It is a small project, so I will add style into HTML file instead of creating separate CSS file. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. In this project, I've used Google font called Roboto. In order to add this font to project, search Google font, select Roboto, select regular 400, medium 500 and bold 700. Copy link part. Paste it in head under the Font Awesome script. Copy CSS part for font family. Paste it. Save it. After refreshing page, Google font called Roboto applied, as well as margin and padding 0. For body, minimum height will be maximum height of the screen. Display flags. Line height 1.5, justify content center, align items center, and background color, it is off-white color. Background color change to off-white color and each checkbox with icon centered. Container maximum width added 600 pixels and width 90%. Margin right and margin left auto. Display flags, justify content center, flags wrap, and user select no. This phrase, choose your favorites, it is container legend. Do not let it touch icons, added margin bottom 30 pixels and line height 1.1. Text aligned center, font size 30 pixels, font weight 500 and color gray color. For checkbox input, height and width 2 pixels. And in order to make Font Awesome icons bigger in size, added font size 55 pixels. Currently, Font Awesome icons looks disproportionately big, but after adding more style, it will look proportional. When checkbox input checked, border color will be changed to blush pink color, as well as color of it will be same blush pink. Gonna be added box shadow. When checkbox input checked, as well as checkbox style before, we add opacity 1 to make it visible, transform scale 1, and border color same blush pink color. Each checkbox label will be dark color and checkbox tile will be same pinkish color with added box shadow. For checkbox tile, each tile is 150 pixel width and 150 pixels height with added border radius to make edges more smooth, with added box shadow and also with added transition which is 0.2 seconds. For checkbox tile before, content stays the same, width 30 pixels, height 30 pixels. With added background image, this background image it is check image. Background color will be white, bluish gray border of 3 pixels solid and with border radius 50%. On hover, checkbox tile will be turquoise color and checkbox tile on hover before opacity will be 1. Reload this page. So now on hover, checkbox appear. Checkbox icon transition 0.3 second is and added gray color. Checkbox label dark gray color with same transition 0.3 seconds and text align center. Save it. This project is completed. So let's reload this page last time to see the final result. On hover, checkbox appear, but if I don't click on checkbox and move to a next tile, checkbox on previous tile disappear because we have opacity 0 and opacity 1. On hover, opacity 1. If there is no hover, opacity 0. If clicked, opacity 1. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to press like button.